Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. This is my organic breakfast. Everything right here came from the garden. I have moringa here. I have eucalyptus and some pepper. That's all. With some okra. We call it kalalu, where I came from. Alright guys, ça fait. Bienvenue dans le kitchen aujourd'hui. Matin, on fait un breakfast tête chargée. Breakfast organique lié. Vous avez la patate sauté dans le jardin. Right here. Sweet potato come from the garden. I have some pepper from the garden. I'm also saving those seeds for me to plant. And then I have some planting from the garden. Some of them are even sweet. Some of them are green. This is going to be my breakfast. And I went on the store. I purchased some corn. Listen, I'm making a 5-star breakfast this morning, guys. And also, I'm gonna take time to say thank you to all my subscribers. Guys, you guys make it happen. Thank you so much, guys. And enjoy your day. Cook something, from your kitchen, Try to stay away from the fast food. Eat healthy, guys. You don't have to be big, but, try to cook your own meals. That will save you a lot, and then that's good, too. And when it's done, I have some tomato right here. I'm gonna leave those tomato. I'm gonna put those tomato and the last one is almost done. Let me see. I think I'm going to add a little bit water on it. Mom, can you add a little bit water on it because there's no sauce at all. This is it. This is the no. Oh, everything no. Adding a little bit milk. Sometimes when I don't have no coconut, guys, I use what I have. That's why, you don't have to. Oh God, look at this. Look at this. We need more water, a little bit more water, because we're eating a good plantain. Can I add a little bit butter on it, please? There. 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 I'm tasting. Oh gosh. Bend, look. Since I need a little bit sauce, I add some water. Bring the fish to me. No, I'm busy on the top. Good luck, please. And you guys know me already. It's all about leftover right here. I'm gonna leave it on slow, and I'm just gonna add that fish on the top. You have to have a little bit, something. That's it. It's just a feeling.